All right, if you're new, we're going to work on the Rotty Scotty, even down to the Rotty hubcap. It's nice to have that. They're hard to find. So the problem is I'm leaking from the back. This window leaks up here. You can see better than I can right now. So really it's leaking pretty bad from this corner. Well, I've got the tarp up there, so it needs to get sealed up, but also it's time to start tearing into the rot, the disassemble part. That's the part that's a little painful, but necessary. So we recently had a rainstorm, and it was just coming in pretty steady, so every bit of this needs to come out. You can see it's pretty bad on both sides, which I would assume is a pretty common problem with windows in the back like that. Big surprises, tons of rot. All the supporting wood around the windows rotted. Everything behind that J-rail is rotted. I mean, this, I can wring water out of it. Look at that. It's gross. So all the support around here's got to get replaced. I've got to figure out how to put some new support behind the J-rail. Not sure on that. I mean, this is why Rob, the rebuilder, pulls the skin off these things and just starts over, because once you get into them, you never stop. Good thing is the top part up here, all this is solid. So my goal is to go to here, and that's why I've cut it to this point, and then just fix everything from here down, recover it. I'm hoping I don't have to replace this because it seems solid. I don't see any issue there. Same thing on the other side. So that means my sidewall should be fine, and just fix this back part. That would be great. That'd help out a lot. I've got the same issue up front. You know, same rot issue. Look, it's got even fuzzy mold. Once again, I think the sides might be okay, but this is obviously gone. I've gone through and recaulked all around the windows. I think that'll prevent water from coming in. I'm gonna have to pull these J-rails back and, you know, reseal it in here. You know, you got the butyl tape, I believe it is, that you're gonna put there, and that way I can properly fix these corners, because that's pretty horrible. Same thing on this side, and unfortunately they went through and put a bunch of self-tappers on here, so I'll probably have to go back and do the same thing, I suppose. All right, we got just enough rain to see if it leaks. And I hope it's not. Forgive the mess, but it's a work in progress. Okay, before, water was pouring in this corner.